In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily anonymously comment on Facebook groups. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then get into a group where you would like to leave a comment or write a post on that group's timeline. After that, if anonymous posts are allowed in that group, you will find this anonymous post button right over here. You can tap on it. It says that anonymous posts published in the group do not include your name or profile photo. Keep in mind that admins, moderators, and Facebook's systems can still be able to see your name and profile photo. To continue, tap right here, and then you will be able to leave a comment in that group as anonymous participant. Just enter your text here and then tap at submit or at post button right over here to share that post. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.